Ikaw ba ay lubos ng nahihirapan sa iyong buhay pinansyal? Ikaw ba ay nawawala na ng pag-asang munlad? Nais mo ba masigurado ang masaganang kinabukasan at buhay na iyong mga mahal sa buhay? Pwes, may pag-asa kaibigan na makamit ang buhay masagana para sa iyo, para sa kanila, at para sa buong mundo.
Now, it's the time for you to begin investing. This step-by-step of how-to is designed specifically for you and customized to your investment needs to ensure that you choose the right type of investment to gain that passive income that you always wanted from gold or silver. There are 4 easy steps for you to begin your precious metals investment. That's right, only 4. Let's get started. We will begin with the first step, the I step, identification. Every passive income comes with a series of lengthy selection, but it all boils down to your need. What is it that you, not anyone else, truly need to create that wealth you desire? Knowing what you need is crucial for the identification process. Questions like, are you interested in gold or silver? Then the subsequent question to ask yourself will be, why? The answers lie with the requirements of your preferred type of investment. To understand your need, we will need to recap on what we've learned in the previous modules on gold and silver investment. This table summarizes the main aspects of both gold and silver investment that we've covered. For gold, it is renowned for its ability against inflation. It also appreciates over time and acts as your financial guardian, while silver has a constant positive demand in various fields of industry, and it is getting scarcer each year, hence securing its rarity. So in this table, we will be covering on the type of investment available for each metal. However, we will not be covering paper metal investment as part of your investment options. So physical metal investments are investments whereby investors are in possession of the physical metals, coins, and bars. Both gold and silver coins have pure metal coins and even colorized coins. They also have cast and minted bars. Cast bars are the minimalist bars compared to minted bars. Their production cost is significantly lower than minted bars, hence it has lower premiums to start with. Another thing for you to identify is where would you place your desired metal coins and bars. You can either put it in a professional vault or into your own personal vault. Some opt to put it in a professional vault because doing so will retain its full resale value, unlike the latter option. If keeping them within your personal premises means a lot of work to you, then don't. However, there is a saying about gold. If you can't hold it, you don't own it. If you are inclined towards this saying, that means you are comfortable with the metals beside you. If you do, go for it. Introducing the C step, calculate. Now it's time for you to evaluate your potential return and the cost required to do so. However, there are certain key factors that you would need to look at before you start calculating your investment price. First off is the market. There are 2 types of market price to look at: the market buying price and selling price. The market buying price is often referred to as the current purchasing price of the metal at that time. On the other hand, market selling price is the cost of the metal during the period when you decided to sell them off. Next, there are several components that affect the price, such as its premium or even the dealer's commission or markup. These metals require minting, marketing, and distributing. This cost is called premium, and it is usually just a few % over the market price. There are no tax implications for buying physical metals. Selling them, however, do have. So if you sell them for more than what you paid for, there will be a tax liability charged. It's time to calculate. For physical gold, there are gold coins and bars. The market price for gold coin is $1,322.82 per ounce. For gold bar, the cast bar and minted bar cost around $1,274.25 and $1,293.20 per ounce, respectively. The market price for silver coin is $18.25 per ounce. For the silver bars, cast bar and minted bar, the cost is around $20.09 and $21.82 per ounce, respectively. Time to calculate your budget. The calculation is simple. Simply set a budget limit for your metal investment. For example, if you have put aside $5,500 for metal investment, and you've chosen minted gold bar as your preferred metal investment, calculate the current buying price to your budget. Now it costs $1,293.20 per ounce. With a budget of $5,500, you can invest up to 4 ounces of minted gold bars. If you want to fully utilize your budget, you have the privilege to invest in silver metal as well with the remaining $327.20. Simple, isn't it? Not knowing which silver investment to make? Take a step back to step I and decide. You could also choose to keep it. It's your decision to make. The final 2 steps for this investment vehicle are to ascertain your choice and look for it nearest you. Let us ascertain some of the possible scenarios for your choices. First off, you've identified your decision to choose gold. Why? Because you've learned that it contains valuable characteristics to improve your passive income in the future. You are certain that inflation is on the rise, and the only way to curb your financial instability is to invest in gold. During calculation, you have set aside a generous amount of budget for gold, $5,500. You've decided to invest in gold minted bars. The market buying price gave you the luxury to purchase 4 gold minted bars. Another scenario would be that you decided to invest in silver. You've identified that silver is the best way to help increase your passive income. Why? Because you've seen how silver manipulates a variety of industries over its demand, and that it has a depleting supply, and that stabilizes its rarity. It is rising at a tremendous rate compared to gold. During calculation, you realize that you need only a slight amount of budget for silver investments. At $1,000, you've decided to invest in silver cast bars. The market buying price allows you to buy up to 40 silver cast bars. Now that you have ascertained your decision based on step I, C, and A, it's time to scout the place to buy them. Your last step is N. What you need to do is to locate the metal nearest you. Most of the physical metals mentioned in this vehicle are available both in land and online. Land market consists of jewelry shops, private mint shops, and banks. You will need to do a bit of scouting for the nearest place around the neighborhood. Remember, certain shops and banks may have differing market buying price because of their respective premiums. So long that it doesn't interrupt your initial budget, you are covered. Online market, on the other hand, consists of bullion dealers. If you are listed in their shopping list, you can buy the metals at any time. It's easier for you to buy online because of its instant services. However, online dealing is highly exposed to scams as well. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and buy that first metal of your choice. Finally, what lies in the future for you? Gold and silver. After all this, you must be wondering, gold and silver are considered long-term investments. So are you going to be holding on to your gold and silver forever? The answer is simply no. There will come a time where you need to sell them, but now is just not the time. So if you've already converted your fiat currencies to gold and silver, hold on to it. When a currency continues to devalue itself, the costs of goods and services will rise along with your precious metals. It's been like this in the past, and it will certainly resurface itself in the future. In this case, history shall repeat itself. When it does, that's when the worth of the gold and silver will be revalued and brought to the front line of your financial battlefield. What's important for your financial life is the continuous injection and supply of your passive income. But do bear in mind that ultimately it's not the commodities, the stocks, real estate, business investment, or gold and silver that will make you rich and financially free one day. But it is your knowledge over the investment you made, their background, their behavior, their patterns, their individual tricks of the trades, and most importantly, how you act upon it will accentuate your wealth. So remember, you are not to do what the investors tell you to do, but to do what the investors actually do themselves. That's why these steps are designed especially for you to do what the smart investors have been doing with gold and silver. As you can see, we've uncovered the 4 steps to invest in gold and silver. Step I, identifying your preferred metal. C, calculating your investment budget. A, ascertain your choices and budgets. And finally, N, places you can purchase your metals nearest you. The whole framework on gold and silver investment can be summed up into the acronym ICAN, and that reads, I can. It's easy to think that you want to start investing, but to act on it is what's stopping even the most excellent thinker. Do not let that be you. Just tell yourself, I can.
Ikaw ba ay lubos lang nahihirapan sa iyong buhay pinansyal? Ikaw ba ay nawawala na ng pag-asang munlad? Nais mo ba masigurado ang masaganang kinabukasan at buhay na iyong mga mahal sa buhay? Pwes, may pag-asa kaibigan na makamit ang buhay masagana para sa iyo, para sa kanila, at para sa buong mundo.